Hi everyone, this is DailyChilli. Today here at home. I just have the update from the post from yesterday because some people say like, so if I'm okay and everything, but yeah, I'm fine. That's life, you know, like you have to move on, you have to think in new ideas and all that. Also to keep going, and also this is one of the reasons I'm starting to post this daily kind of video blog, daily journal. So yeah, this is episode 65. I mean, the goal for this year is to do 100 videos, and actually it's a very good activity. I've been learning a lot, like how not to lose control, you know, like how to keep focus on what you're doing. So I found this it's like a therapy for me, to upload, edit the videos, you know, it's like it's a good practice. So today just listening Van Halen, one of my favorite bands from the 80s. So from here from home, this is my message for today, and today's password for my daily journal is work. Okay, see you guys, bye.